Welcome to Hinatuan. We are now in Rizal Park. We just ate. What did we eat?
What did we eat?
What did you eat?
French fries.
And
That fries. Tempura.
squid balls. And
Lizard.
Coke.
Lizard.
And Royal. Why am I here?
So visit.
To work on
Uy, ayun na nakana eh, talagot-lagot ko ano. Ayun na po dan.
Ang daddy is funny.
and just to escape from work in Cebu.
He wants to fight
Just happy birthday na din Richard.
Happy birthday, Daddy and Richard.
Daddy and Richard.
I forgot. Daddy and Mommy.
Okay. Okay. And I wanted to check if Daniel is good in math. 2 times 3. 2 times 3.
The answer is 2 times 3 equals 6.
Oh, very good. Yay. 1 times 1. Very good.
Perfect.
Perfect.
This is stupid.
Okay, you dance up.
Break it down.
So Daniel,
Dance so job, break it down.
since his daddy and his uncle is here, Daniel will be absent for 1 week. Because his daddy says if he does not absent, he does not love his daddy.
No.
Daniel, thank you for being absent for 1 week.
No.
Tapos itulog na siya with mga kahoy.
Okay.
Ay, makakita. Tapos sa mga katong palibot.
We are here because,
mong kabustorya kaya ang record niya.
Honest ka.
Okay. As you can see, it's facing the municipal hall.
Parawang mo siya makita sa...
They are early out today because of it's a holiday.
Wala ko mga klaro.
Kita dito ka nawa.
And then it's hovering over the wishing well.
That's new.
There are not so many coins there, so not many well wishers.
Ang big tree yun. Dugay na kama sila.
Where is it?
Kana sa
It's
Oh, si Daniel is walking ha.
Daniel is doing jumping jacks.
Sige na, yung dance na. That.
Mhm. It's very good. It's now approaching Rizal. You want to take a close up? Okay. Okay.
klaro na Rizal eh.
Okay, near Rizal. Let's take a closer look at Rizal.
Paduol mo sa Rizal kay para paduol.
You go to Rizal. Oh, you dance there.
Asa naman ang drone? Ako ba sa lagi?
Wait lang, I don't know.
Ala eh.
Where is it? Okay, there.